Okay, this is part 3. I went ahead and entered my information. I couldn't do it with one hand, so I had to stop the video. So I've entered in my information. Now I'm going to click Get Started. And there is the UI. It seems to work. Let's see if it's recognized today's date correctly. Today is November 14th. Which is correct. Short swipe to open the launcher. All right, so there's the launcher. Let's do the obvious, take a photo. Take a photo of something. And swipe left for photo roll. Okay. There is no photo. Swipe left for photo roll. Oh, swipe left for photo. Okay, yes, of course. I was swiping right. We do another one. Photo seems to work, and now swipe left for the photos. Very good. Swipe up. There's the photo rolls. Now I'm not quite sure how to get out of all of that. Okay. Swipe to the right to pull open the UI. There's the gallery. I don't want the gallery. I want the applications. There we go. All right, so there it is. Ubuntu Touch on a Nexus 5, fully, all told. This process to get Nexus 5 installed took at least 90 minutes of my time, with fussing with the Windows installation, fussing with the cables, and fussing with the Ubuntu installer, which totally failed. Which took at least an hour of my time this morning. 90 minutes later, plus or minus, I have Ubuntu Touch installed on my Nexus 5. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.